everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my home. Well, I thank God every time I'm able to say I'm having my parents here for a Valentine's Day lunch. And for dessert, I'm going to be preparing mini chocolate cakes. Beautiful. Very simple to prepare. Now let's get started. We're going to start with 3/4 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature. I'm just going to fluff it up a little bit. 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to do a scrape down. Butter and the sugar have combined. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs plus 2 egg yolks, but one at a time. A scrape down. Now you should do at least 2 scrape downs. Very slowly we're going to add 1/4 cup of whole milk. The wet ingredients is ready. Now we can start with the dry. 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of dark chocolate grated at 70%. And mix everything together. And the final ingredient, a teaspoon of espresso coffee. Espresso and chocolate go spectacular together. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepared my pan earlier. I sprayed it with cooking spray and then I sprinkled it with cocoa. Now, because I'm making chocolate cakes, you want to use cocoa in place of flour because you don't want your chocolate cakes to come out white. How gorgeous is this pan? It's going to make little heart-shaped cakes. These little cake areas 3/4 of the way. Just going to tap it a little bit, shake it. In the oven for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will rotate the pan. I'm going to make a beautiful chocolate ganache glaze for my little chocolate cakes. And we're going to start with a double boiler, 3/4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate, 3/4 cup of dark chocolate 70%, and 1 cup of scalding hot cream. I have this on medium heat. We're just going to let everything melt and combine. Chocolate ganache glaze is ready. It's beautiful. I added a teaspoon of clear corn syrup. This way, you'll have that beautiful sheen. My little chocolate cakes came out beautiful. I'm going to say it if you could only smell my kitchen. Now we're going to allow them to cool for 10 more minutes and then we're going to glaze them. Pour the chocolate ganache glaze over my cakes and let them drip down the sides. I have parchment paper at the bottom. Art indentation in the little cakes, and I'm going to fill them with raspberries. How gorgeous is that? In the refrigerator for 20 minutes. I'm going to make a lovely whipping cream to accompany my little chocolate cakes. 1 cup of whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of mascarpone cheese. I have 4 fresh raspberries here. I'm just going to crush them. I'm going to add the 4 crushed raspberries. This is going to give it a lovely flavor and a nice pink color. And a teaspoon of vanilla bean extract. Place a little bit of the ganache around the cakes. This way, you know, if you want a little bit extra, you have it. And a dollop of that wonderful whipping cream right at the bottom. This is a dessert for 2. Embellish it with raspberries. I think My parents are going to love it. And for the final wonderful, just a little bit of icing sugar. My dessert came out beautiful. I'm going to take it over to my parents and let's see what they think. One plate is for two. So I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And it's Katerina from my home to yours. I would like to wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. Don't forget to hit your like button. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. Ciao. Ma, it's Valentine's Day. Yeah, you and Papà siete le più belle coppie del mondo. Provala, dimmi chi pensi. No, piga con la brocca.
Beautiful.
Beautiful?
Yeah.
Ah, ma la crema che ti piace a te, puro.
I never tasted like this.
You never tasted chocolate cake like that?
Yeah.
No, I know it's delicious. Ah, bella mamma, chi pensi? Buona. Ah, mamma, tu lo sai che sei la più bella del mondo, no? Tu lo sai, eh? Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Okay, come on.
Happy Valentine's Day to everybody.
And my cake is delicious.
That is so beautiful. Nice.
Okay, I love you guys.
You gotta make again.
I will make it anytime you want. I love you, Mama.
Okay, we love you.
I love you, Pa.
I love you too much.
Oh, you love me too much. I love you more. Oh.